Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. We have picked up two more packs from Barnes & Noble, guys. They limit you to two, and this is what they had. Bunch of fat packs, or I guess not many people know about that place yet, or simply people just don't want to get Series 1 anymore, guys. I've opened up a lot of these on the channel already. I probably have this same collection like twice now. I'm just still chasing for those rookies and those relics, guys. So, always cool when you can score cards just to have something to rip. Let's go. We got 40 cards in each pack, total of 80 cards, and you can look for autos and relics. So, here we go. And also, this will be pack A. This will be pack B. We'll stick pack B to the side, and at the end, we're going to decide which pack was better out of the two. So here we go. Pack A is opened. There we go, guys. So let's go ahead and get it started. We got Max Muncy, Zach Britton, Willie Adams, Matt Shoemaker, Fernando Tatis Jr., Matt Olson. We got Sean Manea. Sorry, read that one wrong. We got Humberto Majea's rookie card. We'll stick all our rookies to the side. We got Nick Nerdert, rookie. Dylan Bundy. Nick Senzel. Mitch Hanger. Washington Nationals team card. Pretty cool. We got Lewis Roberts Gold Cup. Francisco Lindor, Teoscar Hernandez. We got Albert Pujols, Roberto Osuna. Oh, here we go. Look. Oh, we got Yordan Alvarez's home run challenge card, guys. Pretty cool right there. So we'll stick that to the side right there. I like getting home run challenge cards, especially if the player can hit decent home runs. We got Lewis Robert right there. Miguel Cabrera, Yordan Alvarez card. That's pretty cool. Isaac Paredes. There's the Christian Pache right there, the elusive card. Like, this one's pretty hard to find, man. You'll find all the other rookies. It's like out of every 10 packs, you'll find this guy's card. So pretty cool, Christian Pache. We got Miguel Cabrera, Adam Plutko, Gio Gonzalez, Wilson Contreras, Austin Hayes, Robbie Ray, a Do It For The Fans card. That's pretty cool. Nico Goodrum, Marcell Ozuna. Ooh, tough about him in the news, guys. I know if you're a real baseball fan and you keep up with sports and stuff, you'll know what happened with this guy. We got Anthony Santadar. We've got Kyle Seager, Max Stassi, Cody Bellinger, J.D. Davis, Roman Quinn, and we got Tommy Edman, guys. So, not a whole lot of rookies or any type of hits like that in that right there, guys. So, got the best, all the rookies go up to the first block right here. And then we got our little insert of Yordan Alvarez. So here we go, guys. Pack C. If we can get anything good in Pack B right here, guys, let's go for it. Here we go. I got a good feeling about this pack. We got Yadier Molina. They start me off with the backwards. We got Roz Hopkins, Aaron Judge, Marwin Gonzalez, Brandon Woodruff, Cody Whitley rookie card. All right, there's our first rookie right there. Mike Yastrzemski, Detroit Tigers team card. Pretty cool. We've got Josh Harrison, Jose Urias. Got Ian Anderson's rookie card. All right, I'll stick that rookie right there. We got David Dahl. Come on, you're killing me, Smalls. We got Brendan McKay, Tyler Chatwood, Ronald Acuna Jr. I really like that card. That's a pretty cool, in-action style card. We got Eduardo Escobar, Mookie Betts, Seth Lugo. We got a chrome version of Gleyber Torres with Whit Merrifield right behind him with another Gleyber Torres, just like it. But it's not the chrome version, so that's pretty cool right there. I guess No, I don't really count the inserts as like hits there, but we can like put the chrome one up here. It looks pretty cool. All right, we got Steven Strasburg. We got Luis Castillo, Anthony Rizzo, Pedro Cervino, Max Fried. Here we go, is our rookies. Usually they're towards the back. We got Edward Olivares. We got Jose Uribe, Roberto Perez, Chris Bubic, rookie. We got Bo Burrows, rookie. Bo Bichette. We got Jacob Junis. Jimmy Candelario, Ketel Marte, Javier Baez, Gene Segura. Come on, one more rookie. Colton Wong, Danny Santana, and the last card is Miguel Andujar. Alright, so guys, there was like nothing great going on in them 2 packs. I mean, a couple of rookies per one and a little something right there. So let's see right here. Pack A, we got the Yordan Alvarez Home Run Challenge card, guys. Then we got a Christian Pache. It's probably the second best or the best card. We got Isaac Paredes, Nick Nieder, and Humberto Mejia right there, guys. So in the Pack B, got a lot more rookies. Not a whole lot more. Maybe just one or maybe just the same amount. We got the Bo Burrows. We got the Chris Bubic, Edward Olivares, the N. Anderson, and the Cody Whitley. And then we had the Topps Chrome version of Gleyber Torres, not numbered or anything like that. Just, Topps Chrome insert. So that was pretty cool right there, guys. So I'm going to say Pack A was the winner of this night's little pack battle right there, guys, because of the Yordan Alvarez Home Run Challenge card. Just find a date where he's doing pretty healthy, and he might just hit a home run that day, guys. So that'd be cool to get a Yordan Alvarez Home Run Challenge. We're going to definitely pick a date for that. Got the Christian Pache right there. Definitely probably my favorite out of all the cards right there, guys. So definitely going to give the win to Pack A right here. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button down below for me. And I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful week. Peace.